Hi, I'm CN. I'm the in-house therapist in the 10-Year Series app.
Hi, I'm Jia Xing. I'm the MD and developer of the 10-Year Series app.
So today I'll be asking Jia Xing some questions for the mental health component in the 10-Year Series app. The first question I have is, how is the security and the privacy of the questionnaire? So once a user finishes doing the questionnaire, how is it stored?
Okay, so it will be stored locally on your device. What that means is that you will be the only person who will be able to access the results. And that means that even the developers of the 10-Year Series app will not be able to access the results. And also, any therapist that you speak with will not have access to those results.
Now I would like to know about the privacy and security of the chat function. So how is the chat being stored?
So they are stored on our servers, but they are stored in an encrypted form. That means that it appears as gibberish to the developers of the team. Okay, so your device will hold the key to decrypt the messages, and the developers also do not have any access to the key. Yes.
And what happens if one person were to use a different device from a mobile phone to a laptop, for example? What happens to that chat?
Okay, so that's why you have to set the recovery password that is prompted to you at the start when you first use the chat function. So again, we do not store your recovery password, and you will be able to so do store it securely somewhere. And when you switch to a new device, you will be prompted to key in the password. And when you do so, then your messages can be decrypted and you can actually see them once again.
Thank you.
Thank you.